Welcome everyone to the TMC Newsroom here in San Jose. I'm with my pal Todd Carothers, who is the SVP of Marketing and Product over at CounterPath now. So congratulations on the title upgrade. Nice
Thanks,
to
Carl.
see.
Appreciate that.
And Todd, you and I have talked for a long time about CounterPath, and you know, we were doing the VoIP world and all that other good stuff together at one point, and things have kind of changed in the world, and now we're doing wireless together. So tell me exactly what CounterPath's doing in the wireless world.
Absolutely. So as everyone knows, we started with the desktop clients, and we started with our X-Lite product, which is our free product. We still do that today. We have our paid for desktop products, and now we moved into the mobile space. In fact, last year in June, we released our first client, which was Bria for iPhone, and that was our first voice-only client. And then 3 months later, we followed with the Android product, and we just announced just a few months back the iPad version of the voice-only product. And now we're busy working on instant message and presence, which we'll add to all of those products I just mentioned over the summer, and then we'll add video in the fall.
Excellent. And so now I'll be able to do presence, I'll be able to do video. Will the presence and instant messaging have some text relationship at all? I can gateway to text and that kind of stuff?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, CounterPath has a gateway product that supports SMS for VoIP operators, and that's one of our convergent service offerings that we have today. So a fixed line operator or wireline operator can go ahead and take their VoIP number that they have and actually send and receive text messages to that number, so their customers can really. So at the end of the day, what we do is we create a holistic solution that includes voice, IM and presence, and texting, as you just mentioned, all in one solution product today.
Okay, now everything in the world is moving to the cloud, and I was delighted to hear that you're no longer requiring me to know how the hell to install my SIP server in order to use your X-Lite client. So tell me about what you're offering to the world who uses your X-Lite client.
Absolutely. So there's a couple things going on in this area. The first one is we just released a provisioning server, which is something that some other companies do, and sometimes our service providers offer it themselves. But a lot of times they come asking us first. So now we have a solution for that, and it's called our CCS, which is our Client Configuration Server. And so now, for everyone from an IT manager all the way up to a large tier 1 provider can buy that product, install it, and use it to configure our clients. And we'll also add analytics to that product and other really cool features in the future. Now, also what we're doing in kind of combination of leveraging that server is for our X-Lite community. A lot of times, folks that download X-Lite are looking for a service behind that, and they're actually kind of confused sometimes. And 10 to 20% of our users say, well, where's the service? And of course, that's just a standalone product that is used across a lot of different deployments today. So what we've done is we've actually offered a service called X-Lite Connect for those users, and it's really targeted on the kind of the 20-seat SME environment, which is kind of underserved from an overlay service perspective. And so what we're able to do is with X-Lite, the product itself, right within X-Lite soon, you'll be able to sign up for X-Lite Connect, and then you can enter your phone number that you use every day on the PBX, the number that everyone knows you by, that SME number. And then what we'll do, when you try to make a call to another X-Lite user, we'll make that call for free for you. So it doesn't use the PBX at that point. And then if you call someone that's not on the service, it just simply fails over to that PBX, and you can make the call like you do today. So it's a great benefit for everyone involved in the ecosystem. It's a great benefit, of course, for the IT organization, because it meets their goal of increasing productivity and decreasing costs in the IT organization. And you're going to be able to use it with other X-Lite users that exist today, which is tens of millions of today.
Right. So now let's try to bring it all together. So I've got you providing me an over-the-top service on the phone. I've got the X-Lite client at my PC, and I'm sitting here and I want to connect up to my PC. Am I able to use the over-the-top service on my phone back to the X-Lite client on at my PC?
What you would do is you would use CounterPath products, so either the X-Lite products or soon the Bria products, whether it be for mobile, whether it be for desktop, and you would use those products to communicate on the X-Lite service.
So I now have to make it so that my wife is fully connected to me. So
exactly.
Yeah.
And she can download it for free.
Thank you. Thank you. You solved the problem for me.
Absolutely.
Great doing, Todd.
Thank you. Thank you.